Hello, my name is Scott Putnam. Thank you for your time and consideration in reviewing my final project today. Out of the three compelling takeaways from the semester about L&D, I would say the first one would be about Bloom's taxonomy regarding L&D and how the building blocks of learning and training are developed or set up here. That was something I never had any formal training on. Any L&D projects before were simply done just sort of out of what I knew from my current organization. I also learned a great deal about annotated bibliographies. This was my first time creating something like this, and I can see a great amount of value in this as an organizational tool, which I discussed with the Graduate Writing Center tutor as well. I learned just what goes into creating a training program, specifically what goes into creating an e-learning that is focused on adult learners. When you start to take all of that in consideration, it's very different than any of the training I created before. A brief introduction into my training and evaluation. My training program was a digital e-learning that I planned to implement within my current organization that focuses on teaching leaders one unified leadership approach based on the servant leadership theory. The three things that I learned from completed this training that I'm proud of or that worked out well. I learned how to create a learning objective based on the adult learning approach in Bloom's taxonomy, which helped me organize and structure my training program very well, I believe. The needs assessment were crucial to deciding on the direction and content within my training program. I learned a great deal about the multimedia approaches and technology that can be used within training programs, and I think I did a good job of implementing those into my e-learnings. The three things that I would like to improve or iterate on, I think that I would like to have added a narrative piece to my e-learning that would have made it more personalized and relatable, like we discussed in the multimedia learning materials. I spent a lot of time on my needs assessment. And while I felt very good about the outcome, I think that now, since I am more comfortable with this process, that additional needs assessment within my organization would yield even a greater understanding of the things that need to be addressed. And I would like to gain more experience with training programs and interactive software to make the e-learning more interactive and engaging. I feel like some of these approaches were new to me. So thank you for reviewing my e-learning, and thank you for all your feedback and support this semester. You'll have a wonderful evening. Thank you.